Did you know that the right vitamins and minerals can help prevent cancer and boost your overall health? Hi, everyone. Welcome back to day 10 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Let's talk about the key nutrients and their plant-based sources. Vitamin D supports immunity and cell growth. It comes from the sunlight, and we can also get it from mushrooms. If we put the mushrooms out in the sun about 20 minutes before we're ready to cook them, they will absorb the sunlight and produce vitamin D. Amazing. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that is found in bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Vitamin E supports our immune system and prevents cell damage. You can find it in nuts, seeds, and spinach. And vitamin A maintains healthy vision and skin. Look to carrots and leafy greens for your vitamin A. On to the minerals. Calcium is crucial for bone health. Choose fortified plant milks, leafy greens, sesame seeds, and almonds for your calcium source. Selenium is an antioxidant found in Brazil nuts and in sunflower seeds. You just need one Brazil nut a day to get more than enough selenium into your body. Zinc supports immunity and is found in legumes, nuts, and seeds. Magnesium supports our muscles and nerves and is found in leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. A balanced diet full of these foods will cover off your nutrient needs. Remember, supplements can help, but they are no substitute for a nutrient-dense diet. They are supplements to a full balanced diet. What minerals and vitamins will you focus on this week? Share in the comments and check out our full video on YouTube channel for more tips. Stay resilient.